Hello everybody. So we have now finally this website in front of you ready. This is our website we created for this CMS, and will be visiting by visitors, and they can post comments, they can view the content, and for the administrator panel we will have to log in using this login form. So the simply we had user John with password John. So I click this login. So we are here in the admin panel, and we can insert new post, and we can view all posts, insert category, and view all categories, and we can delete and edit post categories, and also can approve comments. We have 3 pending comments to be approved by the administrator from here. So we simply just click that approve comment, and it will be approved, and we can also log out from this page. So just when we click this option, so we are logged out. But there is one more problem. If we access the pages that inside the admin panel, we have some pages inside the admin panel. I mean some pages like view post, view categories, and view comments, and this kind of pages, which are separate pages we have included in the admin index page. So those pages can be accessed outside the admin panel independently if their address is written. So therefore that is also a problem. We have to overcome that as well using sessions. So simply, if we now we are logged out, that's mean we cannot access the admin panel. But if we write something like localhost my CMS, and my CMS and admin, and after that if we write view comments, sorry, includes, or folder includes, and if we say view underscore comments .php, and we click, so we see here manage comments here. This is a page looking with some errors. These are errors are there because there is different setting with us. So when someone else will visit this page, they will see an error, but there will be no error in our admin panel because we have set that already. And if someone clicks like includes underscore insert post.php and click, so they will see the the insert form straight directly from the independent page. So this is not good because our inner pages inside the admin panel are accessible for everyone, and we need to restrict them as well because we don't want this thing. So for that you can simply go to your main page, that is index.php for the admin panel, and the pages are attached, or pages are linked or included to this admin panel are here. You can see in the list of the page bar, or the files bar. First is the style sheet, style.css, after that database.php, insert underscore post.php, view post, edit post, insert post, insert underscore category, view category, delete category, edit category, view comments, comment status, and delete comment. So these all are basically scripts, and the PHP files are script or separate pages. So what we can do to prevent people from accessing these pages, just add the session to this. If the session is activated, then it's okay. So if session is activated, then definitely that person who is the admin himself will access these pages using the admin panel, or independently they want. But mostly, as you know, independently an administrator will not want to access these pages. She will be accessing it through the admin panel. So some hackers or some outside people, if they want to access these pages, so they will not be able to actually access them. So what you can simply do, just copy this piece of code which is for session, I just copied, selected, and then use Control C to copy this code. I mean the session start, and if session is not equal to username, which is we already set an admin a session and the login page, if that is not set, then this person is not authorized and send him back to login.php. So what we can do, where we can insert this into all pages, I mean into insert underscore post.php, go here and just paste it over here and add an @ sign to this session start, because sometimes it may conflict or it may create a problem and will generate an error on the page and saying that session has already been started in another page, mean in the main admin mail. So therefore when it is necessary, it will be displayed, and when it is not necessary, it will be hidden, the message will be hidden, the error or something like that. So we just added the @ sign. This is necessary because this is outside page from the admin. So when this page will be accessed I mean independently, then it will redirect the person to the login page. And in the last of the page, we just need to close this curly bracket of the else statement, and we will repeat this on all pages. Just after the last point, start a PHP block, add just a curly bracket and close it. Control S to save. Now this page was basically what insert underscore post, and everyone can access it. You can see over here, even you are not logged in, but one person can access it. But when we refresh this page, it will automatically redirect you to login page, login.php. So there is not you are not logged login.php. You are not sorry, we have to change the page over here, because we say this page is outside the main this directory. We insert underscore post.php is inside the includes folder, so therefore we need to just make it outside the directory. Now refresh this page. This is outside the directory. Let me remove it again and show you again, so you can clearly understand this. Insert post.php. You see the page, huh? Now I will paste that code again before the HTML, and I just added 2 dots and 1 backslash, that this login page is outside that directory, I mean that includes directory in the main root folder. So now we'll see it will redirect you to the page. Just refresh this page and it's saying you are not authorized to access. That's it. The same thing you can do for for every I mean for all the pages, like view post. Paste that code over here and just close it after the body. This is for security reasons. You need to take care of your website and your applications and your pages, so then they are not, people will not be able to access them. So I added that the same edit post and also into the insert category, and go below the page and close it just with 1 bracket. The view categories, paste the code above the HTML. The session is start, the page will be displayed, otherwise it will redirect the person to login.php. Control S to save. You have to do it to all pages. There is no problem in doing this. It will take a little bit time of you, but security is security, and there is no compromise. There is no compromise on that. View comments. It's another page, and we have already included all these pages. I'm just writing comment status and and delete comment. So it's done now. Now you cannot access any page. For example, after the admin you went to includes folder and you said view underscore cats.php and clicked, so it will redirect you to admin login page. And if you try to access any page, that will redirect you to admin login page, that please log in first in order to access any of these pages, because these are the part of the admin panel and not accessible for everyone. So we have done that as well. Now for more security, if you want to add more security to your website or to your online folders, then you can just differentiate the names, because mostly people try to target the admin folder and the includes folder and this kind of folders. Mostly hackers target to attack this folder. I mean the common names of folders, like admin is always used for websites backend. So you can just change these names, you can add underscore sign before the name of the admin or after the name of the admin, like this. So this will be more unguessable for the admins, for that person. So you can add this kind of names. Also you can add something like admin underscore area, admin area, or any kind of other name you can give to this admin panel according to your guess, and which is easy for you to remember. So you can give that kind of different names. And same for the includes folder, you can add an underscore before the name or after the name or something like that, so people cannot guess it. So you can just simply do that. And I hope I assume, or I guess, because I have tried myself for my websites, so people are not able then to guess what's your admin folder and what's your folder name for very important files which has login script or something like that. And you can also change the login page to something else, like admin underscore login, my login, and so different names you can use, so people will not be able to reach there. However, we have three pages. So far we have three pages over here in the main root folder: details, index, and results. These are in front of you on this website. This is the home page called indexed, and the details page, when someone clicks either this title or the read more or any post from the sidebar, so they see the details page, for example, like this. So so on the detail page we see the full story with a bigger image of that story or that full new story, and also we see comments which are posted by the visitors, and also a comment form. After that someone can post a comment. So this is the details page, and the result page is this one. I mean the search, when someone search, for example I search like Wali is my name, so I just wrote this and I will search it. So if there is Wali, the post will be displayed in this area. I'll just click it. There is no post, so I will say cricket, and I will click. So there are two posts related to cricket. I mean West Indies won the match and Pakistan win T20 World Cup. So these two are related to cricket. So this search this search box actually generated this for you, and this is the custom search engine for this project. You can see over here the result.php page, and there's only 3 pages are for displaying the website to the user, for showing the website to the users, and we have some pages inside the includes folder which is also relevant to these 3 pages, and those are, I mean category post, comment form, database, navbar, post content, and sidebar. So there are more 6 pages. So the total total of number of 9 pages are related to displaying the website to the visitors or users. And after that we have the admin panel. There are also some files and the main root, like 5 files: index, login, logout, style, and style underscore login. And inside the includes folder we have many scripts and pages. I think total number of 12 pages or 12 scripts you can say. So I think total number of 30 pages we have created for this whole project, for the CMS, content management system, and we have used some images as well here, and also the images we have for the for the website are here with the post, and some we used for the layout of the admin panel are here, and the other images that we used for the whole CMS are here, or the for the front end of this website, or the website. So we have just created some scripts in PHP, and we have created total number of 25 to 30 pages. Now you can dynamically generate thousands of pages and thousands of hundred of categories, thousands of posts or pages, single pages, and also people can post thousands of comments, and everything is ready for you, because this is now your project. However, after this video, if you can see here, there are 4 different social subscription buttons. There are no links. You can add links to this button, and also we will add a counter to this project in my upcoming lecture. So stay tuned.